Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 icons from rearranging after refresh. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Personalization, Theme, Desktop Icon Settings. Unselect this option if it's selected. Allow theme to change desktop icons. So make sure unselect, then apply, then click on OK. Now exit, right click anywhere. Move cursor to view and unselect auto arrange icons. If it's selected, so unselect. Now restart your system. So this is the method you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.